Hey Kate, it's William. I want to talk to you about a couple things. This section right here is dedicated towards the things that I did not like in December for our marketing. Um, so let's just start. I'll make this very quick, about two to 3 minute video. Okay, first thing I didn't like. I didn't like that posts are not happening at two times a day. So like, I haven't really gotten to the bare bones of it, but like, if I look at this was 23 hours ago, which was Christmas, and then this was one day ago. Happy holidays. This was 2 days ago. And then this was 3 days ago. It looks like things are not happening at a rate of 2 times per day. This was 4 days ago. So the next post should say 4 days ago. This says 5 days ago. It looks like things are happening at one time per week. I don't want to do that, and again, I'm not mad or anything. Um, I probably misconstrued that myself, so that's my fault. This day is 6 days ago. So if this was 6 days ago, this was 5 days ago. This one should say 6 days ago. That says 1 week ago. So it looks like posts are not happening at a rate of 2 times per week. I really want that to happen at 2 times per week. I think the only days that we agreed that wasn't going to happen was Sunday and Friday. So please confirm with me if I've misconstrued that or it was an error on Hootsuite's end. But however, just let me know that we can go back to 2 times per day. I really, really like that. Next issue that I have, the quotes. I know we talked about this many months ago. I don't like the quoting. So like, let me go through here. So this right here, like I like this quote and it's cool, but it's like I don't like the how it looks. It's some weird blue that I don't like, and then it looks weird compared to everything else. So this is a weird blue. This is some type of weird blue. You know, our colors are purple and gold. Uh, I guess that's okay. Some of this, it's just kind of like, well, mainly just those two. I really want to get this right here is a weird black. Um, what I would like, something that would be better for me. So like again, I always go back to four barrel. All their colors and their schemes match, right? So this, I mean, that's something that could be cool. Like if you just said, if your why is strong enough to figure out how, take that and overlay it on one of our pictures. I mean, that looks cool. Um, it's like they kind of do their own flyer thing, but I like the quotes. I just really want to avoid. I really want to avoid doing things that don't match our color scheme. And I know we talked about that many months ago. Um, I mean, that might be an exception, but for the most part, really getting the things that stick to our color scheme, purple and gold, something like this, right? Okay, next point. So let me know if we can avoid that, and then let me know if it's, if we can do something that you can take these quotes, like randomly, take these quotes and go ahead and put them like on our own template. Like, I don't know how you overlay that with Canva. Maybe you can. Next thing. Um, so Christy has these videos. This was posted on December the 10th. Um, it was posted on December the 10th. My question is, I thought we were going to post those at a rate of one per week. I haven't seen any more. So little subtleties like that. So that would be an issue. Next, the only other thing that I don't like, I'm looking for like more videos. So like when you go here, when you come to the page, you don't really see any bootcamp videos. And that could be my fault, obviously for not sending them. But maybe we need to get into a point where we're like I have five really good ones and we just recycle. Because like when you go through here, you did a good job of doing the sports performance thing like we talked about. But like there's nothing that talks about like boot camp as much as it should. So here's one, right? I like that. But I'm maybe some more boot camp videos. And then if I look at the South location, Savoy Fitness South, same thing with this quote. I don't like the color scheme of that. Everything else looks pretty solid. Here's a video, but I posted this organically, so it just seems like I need to get you some more videos. Or better yet, I'm gonna send you like 5 or 6 that we can recycle every single month, and I can kind of delete as I need to. Um, So, Kate, that's what I got. Those are the issues that I'm looking to be fixed. I think there's one more thing. Uh, hold on. Thing. One thing that's not happening that I want to happen or that could happen better is reciprocation of some of the stuff that I'm looking for to actually for you to actually implement. There's some. I don't know if it's this new template I created or what. Let me give you a quick example. Here, I have a folder and it has all these really cool testimonials from our clients. Da 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 da. Come on. So, anyways, I won't get too deep into it. It's there. So, one of the things I said for the month of, I think it was November, I put that link in there. I want more videos of boot camp. What did I say? I got 4 testimonials that I want shared, and I included the link. That link is this right here. And for some reason, I don't like. I'm looking in November and I don't see it. It was supposed to go at a rate of 1 per week. I don't see any of that. So that's one thing. Uh, back over here, what did I say? I said number 2. I think I said Amber's leaving. So Amber is leaving, and I asked for Amber got a job promotion. I want you to use the staff biography and use a picture of her and post it. Josh Funkenhauser got a brand new car. I wanted to post that. So that stuff never got taken care of. And then uh, this one with Christy and Roe. Roe and Christy all did videos of why they should join the challenge. And that was never posted on the South page at all. Like, I have like literally 5 videos I've sent of Roe and Christy. See, this is a nutrition one. Roe and Christy have individual videos that I sent. I believe you got it because I sent it when I sent this. So I know you got this. I sent it all this. It's like they were never scheduled. And it's a video of why they should join. And then even going back, I don't know if we did one with Nick too. And Nick's was never posted. Uh, so yeah, I think there's a huge miscommunication in some of the things that I'm asking for and what I'm getting. And I don't mean that in a rude light. I just mean it as like if I throw it in here, it's kind of my situation where I'm like I'm looking to see it unless we vote otherwise. Even if you don't think it's a good decision, I just gotta be in the clue so I know like where that stuff is because all those things will really help. Um, so and then at the same time that'll give you content. So yeah, Kate, that's kind of like what I'm looking for December. December, uh, it, it didn't go too hot. I think it could have went better. I'm not blaming you. I always take responsibility for myself. I probably did a bad job, as usual, of getting things to you in a timely manner. But yeah, I'm looking to get this stuff implemented. Like I want a huge push for January because there's tons of content. Um, so yeah, okay, just let me know. And again, I apologize for being late with this, and I appreciate you for giving me the extra days considering that I lost my grandfather. But yeah, I want to get some of these little kinks because all the stuff that I'm looking for is not happening. So give me a call back, or I'm sorry, let me know if this is doable. Thank you.